Hi, this is Daswell Group. Let's get started. Thinking about using a concrete mixer pump? Let's go through the questions buyers ask before making a decision. Q1. Why do blockages happen? Most blockages aren't really pump problems, they're workflow issues. For example, the mix may be too stiff, the feed isn't continuous, or the pipeline has too many tight bends. If your slump drops too fast, or you pause too long in hot weather, blockages are more likely. Q2. How do I prime the line? Always prime the line before you start. Use just enough slurry or mortar to coat the pipe, then start pumping steadily. The number one mistake is starting dry, and then stopping. Avoid that. Q3. What mix works best for pumping? Use a pumpable mix, workable slump, stable grading, no dry pockets. Oversized aggregate and poor sand grading are classic clog triggers. If you're unsure about your mix, tell us your job details. We'll suggest a safe range. Q4. How should I set the pipeline? Keep it simple. Fewer bends, avoid sharp elbows near the outlet, and reduce sudden diameter changes. A clean layout is often the cheapest way to ensure smooth pumping. Q5. Diesel or electric? Diesel is best for remote sites or unstable power. Electric is quieter, cleaner, and easier to maintain daily perfect if you have reliable power. Q6. Will I get the rated output on site? Rated output is more of a lab reference. Real output depends on distance, height, pipe setup, and feed consistency. For long vertical pumping, we'll size the machine with a safety margin. Q7. How do I clean it after work? Don't leave concrete sitting in the system. Clean the hopper, flush the line, and use a sponge ball if needed. Good cleaning is cheaper than downtime. Keep these tips in mind and your pumping will run smoothly. Send us your job details, distance, height, mix, and target output, and the Daswell team will recommend a setup that works for your site. Thanks for watching. Contact Daswell Group for a quote.